Engineering students waste 15 plus hours weekly on assignments, creating PPTs, and understanding complex concepts. Generic AI tools? They just don't get it. Meet GTU Copilot, the AI Academic Wingman built with Gemini 3 Pro. A specialized academic platform that actually understands student needs. First-person writing, auto-reference sources, instant export. No more all-nighters. Gemini 3 Pro rewrites with human nuance. Natural flow, zero detection. Gemini generates fully coded, styled slides with dynamic images. Presentation anxiety? Gone. Concepts become crystal clear with AI-generated infographics and interactive quizzes. Learning gamified. GTU Copilot, where Gemini 3's multimodality meets real student pain points. Academic success automated.